Hi everyone, class 10th. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10th, today we will have to discuss on the topic acid, bases and salt, that is the chapter number 2 which is given in your book. And here we have to move on to the acid, bases and salt, in which there is the topic known as acids. So what is the acids and what is the base, what is the salts? We know very well in our daily life we consumed many acids, bases, and the acid bases are the opposite of one another. We know when we eat the citrus fruits like orange, lemon, tamarind, tomato, or grapes or raw mango, in which there is a number of acids are present, and we know there is a soda, the cold drinks, and the food material in which there is a bases are present. So there is a lot of number of bases and acid and bases are present. As we know, there is a hydrochloric acid produced in our stomach, and most of the medicines can also produces the acid in a larger extent. So there is a acidity causes in our stomach, and due to the magnesium hydroxide, that is a milk of magnesia, this acidity has been cancelled. This acidity has cancelled, that means get neutralized by using the antacid, that is a magnesium hydroxide, the milk of magnesia. There is a acid and base, then when they react to one another and neutralize to each other, there will be the salt formation and some of the water takes place, due to which the acidity has gone. But here we know that if there is a acid and bases and salt, how they can be measured, how it can be know that there is a acid, base or any neutral solution. This can be managed or maintained or measured by using the indicators. Indicators is the known as chemical indicator that can indicate it is a acid, base or salt. We know very well there is a very common strips which is known as the acid and base indicator, which is called as litmus paper. By the litmus paper we can know about which one is the acid and which one is the base. So the acidic substance or the acidic substances, what we can call the acidic substances. Acidic substances. What are these acidic substances? We know the acidic substances are explained about the substance that can have the salt taste, or we can say that substances that have the salt taste, or that can taste it sour, are called as acids, and those substances that have sour effect, that can called as acidic substances. These acidic substances are what we can say, like the most of the material in which there is a acid are present are called as a acidic substances. As we know that there is a term given as a acidus. It is a Latin word. This is known as acidus. It is a Latin word called acidus, which means sour. It is mean of sour. So whatever the acids are acidic substances that are having sour taste, are tasted sour, they are called sour, they are called as acidic substances. We know very well there is a acetic acid citric acid, or it is called as vinegar or vinegar, which is derived from the acidic substances, and this can be used as a food preservatives. It can be prepared for the preservation of a food from the sources like palm and date juices, from sugar cane, as well as it can be prepared from blackberry. And we know that there is other materials like ethanoic acid or methanoic acid. These methanoic acid are produced through the sting of ant. That means most of the animals and plant can be observed in which there is a acid produces, like in case of a nettle stings can causes acid, the sting of ant can causes the acids, most of the plants having the acid. So this can be the, on the basis of their properties, the acids can be defined into the different form or into the different sources. What are these sources? How they can be identified? What are these organic and mineral acids? The acid can be identified into the two different types. What are these? These are actually mineral acids, and second one is organic acids, or it is also called as natural acids. So here is the two type of acid you can use. The mineral acids are the organic acids. Mineral acid or organic acid or natural acids. So here is the sum of the organic and natural acid. On the basis of the resources, it can be described like different type of acid found in that manner. As example, the ethanoic acid, which is produced by the sources and name of the acids. So what are the sources? What are the different means? Here is the citric acids, which is come from lemon and orange. Next one is tartaric acids. Tartaric acid is found in grapes as well as the tamarind. Now here we can see there is a acid that can be used naturally or that can be produced naturally are called as organic acid or natural acids. These natural acids are what actually, suppose the ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is the acid that can be firstly experiment in a lab. Except hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, there are all that type of acids are mineral acid, organic acid or natural acids. Here is the ethanoic acid is the first one on which there is a experiment being done, and the formic acid, as we know that formic acid is produced by the formica, which is known as a ant. In the Latin word it is called as a formica. So the acid produced by the ant is called as a formic acids. And here is the different type of acid we can know about. There are the number of acids we can write here exactly from the sources, like lemon and orange, the grapes, tamarind. Next to this, ascorbic acids, the methanoic acid, oxalic acid, methanoic acid, oxalic acid. This can be produced by ascorbic acid, which is produced by citrus fruit. Methanoic acid is produced by vinegar, that is also produced by nettle stings, and oxalic acid is produced by tomato. Some of the other acids that are produced by the animals too, like lactic acid, uric acid, and as well as the methanoic acid. Lactic, uric, and methanoic. These acids are also produced by the animals. Lactic acid produced by the milk, uric acid is produced by the urea, uric acid is produced by the milk, this one is produced by urea. Methanoic acid is produced by methanoic acid is produced by intestines. This is all the type of acids that can be produced by the different sources. Now here is some other acids which is known as mineral acids. This is the mineral acids. What are these mineral acids? These mineral acids are the acid, as the name prescribed, minerals. So these acid derives from minerals. Why? Because it is said to be the mineral acids. As we know that hydrochloric acid, the HCl, in which the hydrogen and chlorine, these are the minerals. HNO3, in which hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygens are there. So this is in the form of minerals. H2SO4, in which already here is the hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen is observed. So we can say this is the acid that can be prepared from the mineral sources, and it can be prepared from the laboratory. So this one is called as the mineral acid. Why? Because it can be produced manually by the human being in the lab by the help of chemical substances. This one is called as the mineral acids. Use a number of acid in our daily life, but this type of a acid can also be used: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. These acids are called as the mineral acid, and that can be mostly used for cleaning purposes. This can be used for cleaning purposes, and here is nitric acid, sulfuric nitric acid. This can be used in truck, car, buses, battery. This is in which the acid, nitric acid is used in this first type of batteries. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning, utensils, jewelries, and can also be used for cleaning floors as well. So most type of acid, which is the mineral acid, can be used for cleaning purposes. Into the next chapter, into the next topic, we will discuss over here to the next subtopics. For those, here is a end of the topic. We will discuss more.